Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can give secondary user account access on eBay. So let's say that someone wants to manage your account, wants to ship the products, or wants, for example, to edit some products and change prices. Basically everything you want them to do, you can just give them the access and then you will be able to do that for you. In case you want to list products on your store or whatever. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you just need to open your eBay store, and then you want to click on my eBay in the top right and then click on summary. Okay, so after guys you click on summary, you want to click on account. Now after guys you click on account, you want to scroll down and you want to click here where it says let's say here, let's check here. Yeah, you just need to click here where it says team access. Okay, so after guys you click on team access, as you can see guys, you will be able to add here user. Okay, or if you cannot see here team access, you can just come up with something like add user or something like that. Now just need to click here on add user, and after guys you click on add user, then what you guys need to do next, you just need to log in into your store. Like I have like multiple eBay accounts, this is not my account. Okay, so it's just by default. Okay, so as you can see guys, now you just need to enter the name of the person that's going to manage your account. Now the name of the person, for example, and their email address, you can go and ask them for their email address, so that you will be able to receive an invitation so that you can accept it and then you can start managing your own eBay store. Now when you enter here the email, you can then see which permissions you want to give to this person. For example, if you only want them to publish and reverse listing, or create and edit drafts, for example, manage member to member messages, for example, create or manage discounts. So what I always do is I just check all of these boxes. If this is someone that I can trust, I just check everything here. Okay, and after that you want to click on add user. Okay, so after guys you click on add user, then the person is going to receive an invitation on your email, and when they accept it, it's going to take them directly to your own eBay store, and then you can start changing things. Okay, so hopefully guys this tutorial helped you. If it does, leave a like and see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone, and yeah, see you guys next video.